Okay, so what I want to talk about right now is a cool application called WiseStamp at wisestamp.com. And they have a free option available, so don't worry about any cost here. But what this does is it allows you to put dynamic email signatures together to help promote your business. And one of their applications that they have is a Facebook page application where you can put in your email signature, you can put in things like a share button, a like button. They can comment straight from your email signature. If you're like me, you probably send out 30 to 50 emails a day. It's a great way to get more traffic from the work you're already doing every day and get more fans and more followers and more sharing of all your information and what you do and what your business brings to customers in your area in a very simple and free way. So I think the best way to take a little closer look at this WiseStamp application is to go up here and click Quick Tour from their homepage, and we're going to watch a little video, a little 2-minute video. Okay? So let's do that. So here we are. If you ever want to come back to this page and view this again, it's at wisestamp.com/tour. We're going to watch this little 2-minute video. Like I mentioned, it gives a fantastic overview of what this WiseStamp software can do. And again, this is going to help you get more traffic back to your Facebook fan page, but there are a lot of other features and applications in here too, like LinkedIn, Twitter. So you can use this for a whole host of different applications. We're going to be talking about it from a Facebook standpoint. But let's go ahead. This is a great overview, and let's let this gal give us an overview on the WiseStamp service and application, and I'll chime in periodically as we go.
WiseStamp is your email signature and online personality all rolled into one. WiseStamp email apps add a whole new dimension to your email. You can share your latest web activity in every email you send. The WiseStamp editor allows you to add as much or as little as you want to your email. First, you can add your name and cell number. Next, you can add your Twitter profile to include your latest tweets in your email signature. All you need to do is add your Twitter. Next.
Let me back up a second here. What I want to point out, I just went back a few seconds. When you have this option, you'll have a personal signature and a business signature that you can select this drop down and just choose from, which is really nice. So you can do one on a more personal basis using the same account and just flip-flop. You know, if you're talking to a friend, you might want to use your personal signature. If you're talking to a potential client, you use your business signature. And these two signatures are actually free. They have a pro version that you get a lot more features beyond that. But you know, you can't beat free, so you get 2 signatures free. But I just want to point that out real quick. So let's move forward here.
Now, first you can add your name and cell number. Next, you can add your Twitter profile to include your latest tweets in your email signature. All you need to do is add your Twitter username, and you can change the title to anything you like. I'll leave it as my latest tweet. If you have an eBay store, you can add your recently listed items to your signature. There are many apps available that you can add.
Yeah, absolutely. There's many apps, and there are in the social tab, you know, under the email apps on the social button here, you're also going to see Facebook, and that's the one. I don't think she shows us this in this tutorial or this tour, but that's the one we're going to want to use. There's a Facebook page app where you can get your comments, your likes, a share button, all that will be in your email signature. And I don't know if you're like me, but if you are, you probably have 30 to 50 outgoing emails a day. And certainly this is going to help you get more people aware of your Facebook fan page and actually make it easy for them to share it either on their wall or with their friends. And that's what it's all about. So this let's move on here. I just wanted to point out that this is the place where you'll find the Facebook application for your page once you set up your free account.
Just browse the available categories. This option allows me to add a random quote to every email, and I can choose the type of quote too. With social icons, you can easily add links to all of the social networks you use, like Facebook and LinkedIn.
Now, just real briefly, this is a little different than what we talked about under the Email Apps tab. Social icons, it's an icon. It's just a little picture, just like the pictures you see here. And if someone clicks on those pictures, you assign a URL to where you want them to go when they click on that picture. It looks like in this example, this is a personal profile link. You're going to have the URL for your Facebook fan page put in here, and your LinkedIn profile down here. Okay, and these are all optional, but obviously we're talking about driving traffic to your Facebook fan page system. You're going to want to have this one for sure.
Just enter in your profile URL. You can also add the usernames to the IM services you use. I use AIM and Google Talk, so I'll add my usernames here to include those. You can even add a border and a background color to your Y-Stamp in the design area.
And I do this, I put a light gray background color, and I believe I also put the border type of box around mine. So I think we'll see that in the example that we take a look at here in a little bit. Let's move on.
Now let's preview my Y-Stamp. This looks great. Here's my name, my cell number, links to my Facebook and LinkedIn profiles, my IM usernames, and my latest tweet.
Okay, so again, we talked a little bit, about these. These are the social icons. So this is different than the application. This is the email application. This is the dynamic piece where you'll have literally share button, comment button, your latest wall post, all for your Facebook fan page, and a like button for people to like your page too. Straight from this dynamic section. It's incredible. Let's move on.
Here's another Y-Stamp I created that includes my eBay app, showing my latest listing in my eBay store, and another one that shows my random inspirational quote. Now, every time you send an email, you can see that your Y-Stamp has been added as your email signature. You can simply write your note and your recipient will have instant access to view your online activity. They can even follow you, reply, or retweet directly from the email, making it easier to connect. Every time you send a new tweet or update any of your online activity, your Y-Stamp signature will update too. To get your own Y-Stamp to share things you care about in every email, check out Y-Stamp at www.ystamp.com.
Okay, so a great little tour. Hopefully that gives you a good overview. I didn't want to reinvent the wheel there, simply because they do such a good job. I thought of conveying how this software works and some of the applications available for you to choose from. So now let's go ahead, and I want to show you exactly how to set this up for your own your account. Before I do want to point out this currently does not work with Outlook. So you can't put this in an Outlook. If Outlook is your email software that you use, you can't use it with Outlook. But it does work with just about every other email software solution out there. Works with Yahoo, Gmail, Hotmail, AOL, and lots more. So that is one drawback that I just wanted to point out while we were talking about it. So let's move on. So let's go ahead and get this loaded on your computer, show you how to get set up with Y-Stamp. They've got download buttons pretty much everywhere. I'm just going to go back, though, to their home page. You click the free download. Obviously, you're going to want to try the free version before you go and spend for the exclusive features. And you get 2 free signatures, a personal one and a business one. So I would highly recommend starting with the free. So click free download. It's going to automatically see which browser you're using. I'm using Chrome, so I'm getting the Chrome installation instructions. This is really straightforward. I'm not going to spend a lot of time on how to install this. If you want, you can print off the instructions right here and just follow along steps 1 through 3. Very simple. If you run into problems getting this loaded into your browser, they have a great little section over here, support and help. If you click on that, getting started down below here, it shows you exactly, again, more details about how to get this thing installed. But it's very simple. It's very straightforward. It takes under a minute to do. So I'm not going to spend a lot of time covering it. So once you get it installed into your browser, it's very easy to edit your signature. You just go up into the browser extension icon for WiseStamp, click on it, go down to Edit WiseStamp, and it's going to bring up their editor. Okay, so this is where you can edit your signature. This is the layout I've chosen personally. If you want to, I can flip between my personal and my business. And I've got them fairly similar right now, maybe just a little change in the applications. But if I want to change this, and how you want to start or how you want to change this is to click on this little templates, figure out what kind of general layout you want to use. Looks like I've chosen this layout where I've got my company logo on the left and then all my details and hyperlinks and things off to the right. There's a lot of different ones to choose from. Some of them you can only get by subscribing to their Pro service. I think it's like $3 a month for their Pro service. So you're talking no more than $36 a year for a very highly functional way of getting more leads to your fan page and your business. So, but again, get comfortable with the free version. There's a lot of different free layouts you can choose from here in this list. Select one of them. Just click to add this template. I'm not going to do that, but that's how you would change it. Use the template and then start filling it in. Click on there, start typing. You can center it. It's all the same kind of icons that you're likely familiar with from an application like Word. So you just type anything in. If you want to put in a hyperlink, just type in your URL. Don't even have to put the www. And when you highlight something, it's going to give you this option here to insert a link. And when you do that, this is where you put the full URL, http:// and then the full URL. And then you click update. So it's very easy. This is all very straightforward. It's a really nice editor that they've got here. If you want to left justify, right justify, center any of your information, it's all pretty simple. In here, you're going to put upload image, and when you select that area, it automatically highlights upload image. You click on that, and you're just going to upload a file from your computer. Or if you have a file out on a server somewhere, you put in the web address and click insert the signature. Very, very straightforward, very simple. Down below, this is where your email apps inside their editor reside. And the one you're looking for here is a little ways down their list, Facebook page. And you're just going to click on it and click Add App. And it's going to bring it over here, and I've already got it added. Then you can disable it, delete it, or edit it. If you go into the edit features, this is where you're going to put title, and I think this is the default latest post. So it's going to dynamically pull in the latest post off of your wall, and here it's going to say, okay, what are you trying to pull in here? Are you trying to pull in a Facebook page that you like or you follow, or are you pulling in a page that you own or that you're an administrator for? So you're going to want to pick Pages I Admin, and then it's automatically going to know what pages you're an administrator to. Click the one in the list that you're looking for. Obviously, I'm integrating my signature with our Get 100 Listings fan page. Okay. So this is a compact style. Try both of these with and without the compact style to see which one you like better, and click OK. And from there, it's going to save your settings. You click Apply. You may even want to click Preview just to check it out first. The settings that I have in there, I actually have two applications. I've got a little LinkedIn Let's Connect application. But here you can see it in preview. It's really cool. We've got our social icons, which I'll show you here in a second. But this is the part that we just set up. This is the email application for Facebook fan page. Look, people can like your page. They can comment. They can share. I'm sorry, this is actually like your comment. Give it a thumbs up. Or they can get interactive and comment, or they can click share and share it to their wall. This is the button where they would actually like your page straight from your email application. Great stuff, and that's a permanent follower going forward. So, looks like I've got this right. I'm going to close this. I'm going to show you the social icons in their editor. So I click on social icons. Here I've chosen to put, and again, this is, let me go back to preview and show you exactly what we're talking about. That's just these two little icons here. Okay, so it's a little repetitive, but why not? It looks cool. It's another opportunity for somebody to click and get involved. So let me go back here and show you. That's under social icons. Yes, I want to have my Facebook and my LinkedIn profiles, and here's the URLs for both of them. This is my fan page URL. This is my LinkedIn public profile. Just copy and paste those right in here. Click apply, and then we're done, right? So now I'm going to go over and I'm going to show you the last step in my Gmail account, and I've already got this called up. But here you can see when I'm composing an email, I'm sending to whoever I'm sending it to. It's going out from my get100listings@gmail.com email address. But I've got my interactive signature with all my settings, how I wanted them. And so whatever I say and to whoever I say it to, how's it going? They're getting this cool signature, interactive signature, without me having to do anything. And again, this is how you get more leads and more business straight from the activity you already do, because you're already sending out emails regarding your business, but now you've made them interactive to pull in your latest post from your Facebook fan page, to allow people to like the comment, add a comment themselves, share it with their friends, or even like your page and become a long-term fan straight from every one of your email signatures. A great feature to get you more traffic into your Facebook fan page. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.